What's up guys, so this is the house right here. This is the before, as you can tell. So we're going all the way to the front of the house, but the sidewalk, front, the back, and the two driveways need a pretty good pressure washing, so you can see that pretty soon. And I can't wait to show you the final result. We got this, literally all this right here. Me está tardando. Sube. So guys, this is the front driveway. Everything looks really good. The color contrast, it literally matches the sky. This is the sidewalk going into the front of the house. What do you think, guys? So the neighbor came up to us and asked us, hey, could you pressure wash your driveway? And of course we said yes. So that's it guys, don't forget to follow so you can see our journey. Thank you so much for watching, have a nice day.